runners, at first and third. Kirschmeyer steps in right side. Delivery from McKenna, misses low. A little delayed steal. And the Saints just let the runner have second base there. One ball, no strikes. The delivery misses low and away, and it's now 2-0. Two balls, no strikes. And the runner over here at third, creeping off the bag. Called strike there. It's now 2-1. Cody Stevenson at third. I have seen a couple of. Actually saw one runner get thrown out at home on the steal attempt, and we actually saw someone last week steal home. Nice block there behind the plate. Garrett Macias saving a run from coming across. The 2-1. Ground ball. Left side through the infield. One run scores, and it's going to be another run will score as well. The left fielder didn't quite handle that cleanly, and it's now 6-3, Club All-Star on top.